Man caught with 3 dried human skull.
We are just hello. Hello. We are using it as our defense. Let me just
Or remove your hand from your eye.
remove what he's doing now. No problem. It's not putting you. You are putting me in. Please now. Please. Okay. Please now. Okay.
Remove that your cap. We can pull your shirt.
We're not a rough person. We have already rough already. We never rough you.
Yeah.
If you want me to rough you, they will rough you. If you want me to cast me.
Oh yeah. Remove hello. Hello.
Listen to him. Just calm
Listen.
down. Calm down. We're not putting anything.
Hello.
Okay. Listen.
Oh, come on.
God me.
Come. If you do rubbish, I rubbish you.
We're not the rubbish person. Let us rubbish you.
No, go fire
Don't
your
let us
leg.
rubbish you. We'll rubbish you.
No.
Rubbish
If
person.
you do rubbish, now go fire your leg. Listen to me. Today, 16th January 2023. During our course of stop and search, we stop this young man here. What is your name? What is your name? Razak. Razak. Kí ni orúkọ bàbá yín?
My daddy has dead. See what is happening now.
Kí orúkọ bàbá yín?
My daddy has dead.
Okay, your daddy is dead. Now, where are you coming from this afternoon? And where are you going to? Talk to me.
You have already spoiled me. You have already spoiled me.
So you don't want to talk to us?
I'm talking to you.
You don't want to talk? Where do you get this dry skull from?
Inside quarter.
Inside
quarter. I saw it this morning. Nothing.
Inside quarter.
Like this morning. This morning. I just saw it.
Where?
Morning.
Where?
At your boss side.
At your boss side. You get this skull. So
Just,
where are you taking them to? Three dry skulls.
My life has spoiled. My life has spoiled.
So you don't want to talk to us?
I'm talking to you.
Where are you taking them to?
I didn't take anything for myself. I didn't take it to anywhere.
What are you using them for?
I'm using it for my personal something.
Do you know that being found with human dry skull is an offense? Do you know?
Hearing you, yes, it's an offense.
Now, since you don't want to talk to us, I want to put it to you straight that you have committed an offense of unlawful possession of human dry skull.
I've already